So now that you know what strategy is, let's walk through a few things that you should keep in mind when you're creating your strategy. It is important to find the right balance between features, user and market needs, and business goals. You need to find the right balance between what features to build, the needs of your users and the market, and the business goals you need to achieve. Some features that you could build won't provide a lot of values to users, and some features won't help meet business goals or might be too expensive to build. You should also think of your strategy as a way to create building blocks for how to get to your vision. Think about breaking your strategy out into 3 to 5 smaller components that you need in order to realize your vision. These are the things that your product needs to get absolutely right in order to be successful given the vision: what you know about your users, the market, and your business goals. Strategy should also still be high level, but with a little bit more detail. As you're building out your strategy, you want to stay high level, but you should start filling things in with a little bit more detail than what you would get from your vision. The full details, though, will emerge in PRDs. It's also helpful when your strategy is goal-oriented and preferably measurable. Goals make things very actionable because you know exactly what you need to do. It's even better when you can measure them and your progress towards meeting them.